UK's fastest MX5 shootout, and there's a guy running it down there at Santa Pod. It's a run what you brung, a standard run what you brung day, so Saturday, but they are doing, a guy has organised basically a UK's fastest MX5 kind of shootout, so there's going to be quite a lot of fast fives there, and it's going to be pretty fun, going to be pretty mad. So I got a little invite, so I thought someone told me that I should go, so I thought it'd be a good time to go, get the car out, see what it can do down the drag strip. I know it's not a drag car, but we'll see how it does down the drag strip, we'll see how it does. I haven't got much sleep, so I'm quite tired, so hopefully I'll be alright. But we're just leaving now, getting the sat nav set up, and then we have to stop at a petrol station. We have to be there. It's about 8:30, 9 o'clock now, and the track opens about 9:30, so we're going to get there a little bit late, but quickly sign on to the MX5 shootout, move all the stuff across, and then we'll be going for runs all day. Yo, what's up guys? We are here at Santa Pod now. We've got the two cars here, mine and Connor's. We're just setting it up, taping up a few things on the front, and I've signed on already, signed on to the shootout, so I'm just gonna set the car up and go and start doing some, I would say laps, but it's not, doing some runs. There you go, I'm gonna start doing some runs. No. Fuck. So upsetting, first run. I know, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Huh? It's because I gripped so hard. There was so much grip. Cheers. Yeah, man. Okay guys, so that is the end of my day today. I snapped a half shaft and clean off. I did a pretty mad burnout, as you might be able to tell from the video. But this is how sticky the tyres were. This is just pushing it back. The stones are like stuck in there. But yeah, got a lot of grip. And then this happened. I don't know if you can see it. Can you guys see that? Sort of. Sort of. Yeah, there is that's the half shot there. So you can hear that, that's flapping around, yeah. So it's not connected, it should be connected to that, and it's there. So yeah, basically that happened. I reckon it would have been a pretty fast run if that didn't go. Maybe a 12. It should have been a 12 at least. Hopefully a low 12, but we'll never know. But yeah, it started hopping off the line and then just boom, went. But we got some cool MX5s here. Just kind of parked on there, so I was chatting to them, sorting out a way to get back. We've set this up just to kind of get me around, because in a tow rope we've just put this harness there, dragged me back to the pits and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna try and get it back, and then bigger, beefier half shafts to go on. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. I'm bummed out that I didn't get at least one clean run in today. I would have at least liked to get one, but oh well, it's the way cookie crumbles. And I think with drag racing, I think I may kind of leave it for a while. Obviously it's not really set up for that kind of thing. It's good fun, but obviously not when you're breaking half shafts. But yeah, I'd like to do it again. I do definitely want to get like at least a 12 at some point in this car, but we'll have to see. I might just change it over, but it's coming into winter now, so we'll have to see how it goes and then see what I can do with it. But yeah, guys, I shall speak to you a bit later and try and get this all sorted. Okay guys, so that is it for today. We are back at the garage. Just got the MX5 in here. Connor did well towing. Well. So we had an MX5 towing an MX5. It was good fun. We made it back. It was quite a way. We had to go and buy a tow rope from the shop because the harness didn't do very well. Kind of broke. But yeah, got it back now. I'd like to see them do it again next year, and hopefully I could then take fastest MB in the UK. I could win that class. Fingers crossed. I probably could have done it today with the other people that was there. I don't think there was any other forged turbo NBs, so I probably would have won it, which is a shame. But yeah, it was a good day, and it was a good learning experience. I think good learning experience, and I'm surprised at how much grip I could get. Now I know the setup to get good grip. What do you think, Connor?
Yeah, I think you did well. The launch was good.
The launch was amazing. Burnout was amazing. Launch was amazing. It's just the car gave up this time. The driver was on point.
Yeah.
Like the car gave up.
Last time it was the driver that was just fucking up, and this time.
No, the driver was scared of breaking his car, which then happened this time because I wanted to pull out all the stops to actually get a good time. But there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.